Hey, what is going on to you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. First of all, I'm sorry for the background sounds that you're gonna be getting in the video because I'm not getting too much time to dub the video as my exams are happening at the moment. By the way, this is the smoke bomb that I just prepared, although this doesn't look too good actually, but still, yeah, it is what it is. You can see there's a toothpick on top. I must tell you that if you look carefully, yeah, there we go, the focus is on. There's the piece of my glove which is filled with glycerine, and below it we are having potassium permanganate. We know that when glycerine reacts with potassium permanganate, it creates a fire, and beneath that we are having a mixture of KNO3, that's potassium nitrate, and sugar. And we also know that when potassium permanganate and sugar mixture is light upon fire, it creates a huge amount of smoke. So this is actually going to be our basic principle of our smoke bomb, when we're going to be taking out the toothpick and then popping it inside of this. Then within a few seconds we should be able to see some smoke. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, so guys, we're out now. I've taken out the toothpick and we're ready to go. So let's go. 3, 2, and 1. I've popped it in. Looks like I let it pop it out as well. Just make sure that it comes in contact with potassium permanganate. Okay, so I can see some smoke coming out of it. It's been like 2 to 3 seconds, and yeah, I think I should just step it back. Yeah. Oh, there we go. So it pretty much worked out as I wanted it to as well. And yeah, it worked out pretty good. I wanted it to explode after like 10-15 seconds, and everything happened according to the plan, and now it's on fire, which is going to be extinguished really soon. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, it was definitely not a very good looking bomb, but it served the purpose of what we are trying to show in here. Again, don't try to do these things at home. I do not encourage you to do this. This is only for some educational purposes. And yeah, that was pretty much it from the video. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, comment down below if there are any suggestions or you wanna see anything from me. And yeah, that's pretty much it from the video. Hope you all enjoyed. See you next time.